Icy Island, it's your boy Issa here. For those who are new to the channel, welcome, and for my returning viewers, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you guys how to replace spark plugs. You first want to start by disconnecting the battery since you're working with an electrical component, and after that we'll be disconnecting the connectors from the ignition coils and popping the bolts to actually hold the ignition coils in place. Alright, now that we have all the bolts loose, we can take out the coils now. And this is how an ignition coil looks, and its job is to pass the electricity from the battery to the spark plugs. Now that we've got the coils out, now we have access to the spark plugs. And to actually get the spark plugs out, you have to use a spark plug socket or a socket that actually fits around the spark plug with no play. Alright, so I got the old spark plug out, and this is the new one I'm putting in. In my opinion, it's not the worst spark plug I'm taking out, but the customer did want it replaced. Alright, and one last thing about removing spark plugs. If they're a little tough to actually break loose like you can see going on right now, don't worry, they're gonna come off. Just be patient, keep working it. And if push comes to shove, I'd recommend use something with a lot of leverage, so a long pole that you can actually pull. I don't recommend using any impact because I've never used the impact, so I can't recommend it to anybody else. So. And now that we got all the spark plugs out, it's just time to put it back in reverse order. No need to over tighten it, just get it to the point where it's snug, and put the coils back in, the connectors on the coils, and the bolts that hold the coils in place. And then after all that, you can reconnect your battery. Alright y'all, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys learned something new. If you liked the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you didn't, leave your thoughts down below.